So today's fun look is using the new metallic silver eyeliner. You can do this with the gold as well, as an eyeshadow, as an all-over washed eyeshadow. So first, I prepped my eye with my eyeshadow primer. I have Light Beam eyeshadow from Lid the Brow, and then in my crease, I have a little bit of Dusty Rose eyeshadow. That's all I have on my crease. And now let me show you how I completed my look. After I applied the Dusty Rose in my crease, I just applied the waterproof black Mary Kay eyeliner pen on my top and bottom lash line. And then I'm going to take the brush for the liquid eyeshadow, and I'm just going to go ahead and paint my entire lid with the eyeliner just like that as an eyeshadow instead. It's gorgeous, it's fun, it's fall. Do you love it? And then I finished my look with my favorite, the Fanorama mascara that just came back into our line. So you can have a really fun fall look with the new copper and metallic eyeliners by using them as eyeliners or even as eyeshadow. Would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think? Do you love it?